Hi, here is the Fuji Zoom Cardia 2008 overall conditions. Okay, so first we'll show you the battery compartment is at the bottom part here. So it's by pressing this button, then only you open it. Using two CR123A battery. Yeah. Okay, after that we just by pulling here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this. Then here is the film. We need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center point of the film. Yeah, like that. Then the film tip, we pull under here and we just close it and it will load. Okay, so here LCD screen here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film properly. Then we just switch here to on it. Here is the on off button of the camera lah, okay? And here is the zoom and here is the shutter. Like zoom, you can zoom in, zoom out, then the shutter. When you view into the viewfinder of the camera, you will see the center point there got a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, the red light light up, which means that the flash is ready, while the green light keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. Maybe it's too near or something. So I slightly adjust. Yeah, you see, it's okay already. Then click it. So every time you want to shoot, you just half press. If it doesn't blink, then press it. If it blink, then maybe you release and half press again to check whether it's okay or not. Yeah, you see, flash is charging. So we wait for a while. Okay, now it's about the focus. Okay, yeah, like this, then you just shoot it. And here is the flash setting. While normally I would recommend you just put it at auto will do. Yeah. Then here is the timer. Like this. Timer is also same, half press and press it. If you have a red light at here, which means that the timer is start counting already. So you just wait for it. Okay. Okay. And click again. Here is continue shooting, which it will keep on like shoot until you release the shutter. Yeah, I see. It keeps shooting. Unless I just stop it lah, yeah. Then ME stands for multi-exposure, which one frame you can take like few pixels. You see, it doesn't move. Then after I click again, then it only forward to the next one, yeah. And this one is the plus minus, which is the compensation mode. Well, normally you just put it at fully auto will do, yeah. And the overall setting is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. Here, here is the macro function, which it will auto zoom to the max, and it will have a slightly near focus point for you to focus. I'm not sure whether the focus point is how many cm. If I'm not wrong, it's like around maybe 10 cm or something, yeah. Then if you don't want, you just release it. Then here is the infinity mode, landscape mode. When you click it and you shoot, it will auto focus to the infinity mode, yeah. And usually I think it won't trigger the flash also, yeah, because you're shooting landscape, so you feel the camera will feel like the flash also can't power until too far, yeah, so they won't trigger the flash. And when you didn't use it, you just switch off it, will do, yeah. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So overall it's like this, and hope you enjoy it.